just amazing. I just love smiling. I feel so good about myself. It just completely changed my life.
I just smile all the time. Can't stop smiling, so.
Life has been great. I get a lot of compliments. A lot of people are asking for the information. They want to be referred to Dr. Sean. I just see myself smiling all the time when there's really nothing to smile about, because it's been so long since I've been able to just have a wide smile where you can see all my teeth. So it has been amazing.
It's great. You can have steak, you can enjoy anything you want. You kind of stand there smiling, staring at yourself in the mirror, going, oh my God, what happened? They look great. And yeah, you feel really, really, really good.
I can eat anything I want, and I have no problems.
Don't wait and go do it. It'll change your life. It really will. The benefits for your gums, the structure, your bone structure in your mouth, how you feel, and the confidence it gives you, you can't put a price on it. It's unbelievable.